Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be swatching and reviewing OMG's Invisible Polish collection. These nail polishes were sent to me by OMG, and I want to thank OMG for sending me their newest collection. Okay, so this collection has 4 shades, and you guys might be wondering why are they called invisible polishes? Well, indoors you can see it as clear polishes with a slight tint or sheer color just like this. But once you go outside and let the UV rays to shine light to them, it will transition to different shades. Well, that sounds cool, right? And it's really mind-blowing. I'm so excited to try these polishes, so let's start by applying a base coat. Then after letting that to dry, I'm applying the shade Invisible Red first. As you can see, it's just like applying a normal clear polish. It doesn't even change its clear appearance with bright lights. It just remains clear. Now let's see its transition outdoors. As you can see, the clear polish is slowly turning into red. Now let's apply a second coat to see if its shade gets darker or even more vibrant. And I think with 2 coats, Invisible Red shade looks more vibrant. Here are some picture swatches of Invisible Red. Now let's move on to the next shade, which is Invisible Violet. Then let's check out 1 coat of Invisible Violet's transition outdoors. Now I'm applying a second coat. And here's 2 coats of Invisible Violet. Here are some picture swatches of Invisible Violet. For the third shade we have is Invisible Black. Then let's check out 1 coat of Invisible Black's transition outdoors. Now I'm applying a second coat. Now let's see the transition of 2 coats of Invisible Black. Here are some picture swatches of Invisible Black. And lastly we have is Invisible Light Red. And here's Invisible Light Red's transition outdoors with 1 coat. Here's the second coat. And for the 2 coats of Invisible Light Red's transition outdoors. Here are some picture swatches of Invisible Light Red. Now here are all of my swatches on my natural nails. And I want to try all of the 4 shades on each of my nails, so I'm applying them again with 2 coats. I'm going out again to see how it transitions. And here are my picture swatches of each shades on each of my nails. If I tried them on my natural nails, let's try it on a white base. I'm applying Invisible Red and I'm applying 2 layers of it before checking it outside. Now let's go outside. Here are my picture swatches of Invisible Red on a white base. So now I'm showing you 2 coats of Invisible Violet on a white base. And here are my picture swatches of Invisible Violet on a white base. Here's 2 coats of black on a white base. Then here are my picture swatches for Invisible Black on a white base. Then we have 2 coats of Invisible Light Red on a white base. And here are my picture swatches for Invisible Light Red. And here are all of the picture swatches of all of the shades on a white base. And I decided to paint all of the shades on each of my nails on a white base. Of course, I applied 2 coats too. And here are my picture swatches. After all of those swatching, there was a question I have in mind. Can the invisible polish still transition its colors outside with a layer of glossy top coat? Well, let's do it to find out the answer. I'm reapplying 2 coats of Invisible Red, letting each layer to dry. And now, I'm applying a thick layer of glossy top coat. For the moment of truth, let's check it outside. Well, it transitions very well even with top coat. All of the shades transition its clear to colored shades with UV rays flawlessly. When I painted all of the shades on my natural nails, it wasn't that sunny. It was more of a cloudy day. And it took me less than a minute to see the full transition of the shades. This collection has 4 invisible colors: red, violet, black, which looks more than a grayish violet, and light red, which has a more vibrant red shade. Applying more layers will make the shade look more vibrant. It looks like an ordinary clear nail polish indoors, but once you let the UV rays to shine light to them, you can see its magical transition. It takes more or less 7 minutes to make the colored shade change back to its clear version. I really can't wait to make nail art designs with these nail polishes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's swatch and review video. Don't forget to leave a like, share this video to your awesome friends, and definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. And follow me on Instagram for the latest updates. And check out OMG's official pages on the description box below. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!